Good morning, students. This is your social study class now. Students, today we are going to revise question answers from chapter Our Houses. Students, you have to write answers for very short type and for the long type. Okay. So, we must learn this question answers, memorize this question answers. Okay, today I will give you 8 question answers. Already we have done all these question answers before, but today we will revise this. The instruction is answer the following questions. Question 1. Why do we need a house? Answer. We need a house to live in comfortably with our families. It protects us from heat of the sun, bad weather, robbers, etc. Okay? This is the answer for the question, why do we need a house? Question number 2. What are kacha houses made of? The question is, what are kacha houses made of? Answer is, kacha houses are temporary houses made from mud, thatch and wood. Read it again. What are kacha houses made of? Kacha houses are temporary houses made from mud, thatch and wood. Okay. Now question number 3. Who draws the map of a house? Who draws the map of a house? The answer is, an architect draws the map of a house. Okay. Now question number 4. What does an electrician do in a house? What is the work of electrician? Okay. So the answer is, the electrician fits the wire. Wires means electric wires. Switches, bulbs, fans, etc. The answer is, read it again. The electrician fits the wires, switches, bulbs, fan, etc. Question number 5. What is an igloo? Answer. An igloo is a home for Eskimos, which are made up of ice and snow. The question is, what is an igloo? Answer. An igloo is a home for Eskimos. An igloo is the home for Eskimos, which are made up of ice and snow. Right? Question number 6 is from HOTS. You know what is HOTS? Do you know that? Yes. High order thinking skill. So from this, one question is given in your book in this chapter. That is, why do we need to clean our house regularly? Answer. Read the answer. We need to clean our house regularly to stop the spread of germs. To stop the spread of germs and help keep us healthy. Okay. We need to clean our house regularly to stop the spread of germs and help us healthy and help keep us healthy. Right? Question number 7. What are Pakka houses made of? This is extra question. What are Pakka houses made of? You have learnt what are Kacha houses made of. Like that, you should know what are Pakka houses made of. Pakka houses are made from strong materials such as bricks, cement, steel, iron and stones. What are Pakka houses made of? Pakka houses are made from strong materials such as bricks, cement, steel, iron and stones. And question number 8, that is also an extra question. Name 4 helpers we need in making houses. Name 4 helpers we need in making houses. You know so many helpers, only you have to write 4 helpers, name of the 4 helpers. So, what you will write? Answer. 4 helpers we need in making houses are mason, electrician, carpenter and plumber. Read it again. Name 4 helpers we need in making houses. Answer. 4 helpers we need in making houses are mason, electrician, carpenter and plumber. So students, those who have not written this question answers still now, they will complete it. Okay? And you have to revise this question answer, memorize it again, and you will write this revision work in your revision copy. Okay? This is revision work we have started. So, where you will write the revision work? In revision copy. So, the class ends here. Good day, students.